Well, it's January the 13th, 2022. And we're going to get a 2-for-1 here on this video. We're going to have the bridge construction on Redland Road. And then we'll go on up to the roundabout construction further up on Redland Road. They're coming right along with the construction, although it seems like it's taken them long enough. This is just for the bridge, not counting the roadway adjacent to the road now, since it's going to be 4-lane. And we're going to get a bird's eye view of the overhead view of the bridges, and it won't be long before we're driving over those. Anyhow, we're going on up towards the Rifle Range Road, where they've got a lot to do all the way up to there. Anyway, the Redland Road Roundabout, looking towards Mulder Church up there on the hill. And I guess it takes quite a while to form the roundabout and the road beds and to let all that settle before they pour concrete or asphalt, whichever. There you go. There's another view looking towards Mulder Church. And if you like this video, hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button as well. That way you'll see all the videos as they come out. Thank you for watching.